Well, here we are. We made a video. We bought Dad a car. And we told him the first thing that he sees is gonna be his. Got Zeke driving. I'm here, of course. The house is over there, the yellow one over there. And we told him to be standing outside. That the first thing he sees is his. And there's somebody. Who's that, Tammy or somebody?
There's Dad.
You see that?
Oh, grandma's house? Oh, grandpa and grandma.
And they all sitting there. They all outside. Oh, what? Well, go down there. Stop right here. Stop right here. No, go ahead. Run down there, so y'all can be down there with them, like you said you wanted to do. Y'all do. That's what y'all want to do, right? Go ahead, run down there with him and see what he's saying. Hurry up. Get there. All right, go ahead, Zeke. Right, let's stand up in the sunroof. Go ahead, Zeke. We told Dad the first thing that he sees is his. Mom said, "Is that David?" Is that David?
Where's David? That is David.
Put the car in park. We got a caravan. Give Dad the keys to his car.
You today. Oh my goodness. Is this Dad?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
All paid for.
And Zeke was
That's your car.
I told Cameron, I told her, I bet I can guess. I told her, I bet I can Yeah, I told you I bet I can guess.
Oh, you do?
I said, I bet when I take you there, I thought you were going to bump me a car.
Wow.
Boy, that is nice.
That's
That is sharp.
Look at that.
Oh, my
He
2000. What year is that, Karen? Karen, what year did you tell me this was? Was it 2010 or 2011?
2011.
Oh, 11. Okay. It's a 2011.
Yeah, exactly. I told you, I said, I bet I can guess.
Wow. And it's your car, the one you like, a Buick.
And it's all paid for.
And she said, it's something I like. And I said, that'll be a car.
Hey, big brother.
Hey!
How you doing, big brother?
Hey, little sister.
How you doing, big brother?
Hey, little sister.
Hey, David.
Hey, wait, you can't hold me. I'm making a video.
David, that tree, Dad.
Huh?
Look at that tree, Dad.
Oh, okay, that's terrible.
I'm gonna take it home with you.
Nope.
Put on your shoes with the fish tanks. You good?
Take this car away from me.
No, she's not.
Yes, she is.
How can she? It's your car.
Yes.
Can't take away a gift. Can't take away a Father's Day present.
Oh, David, this is so nice.
Beautiful. Y'all kicking
Hey,
it.
David, look at you, David. You didn't want Dad to get another town and country.
Well, this was the girls' decision.
This is
Oh,
shine.
this is so nice.
I like this. This is nice. Look at this.
Oh, Angie, where'd you come from? Where'd you come from?
See me?
I like this, Dad.
This is shine.
You didn't hear me say
This is shine. I don't know how to act.
Carol like she just jumped in the back.
That's all it's got on it?
Yep. We all did.
Where at?
All in the family.
Where at?
And we just kept sharing pictures and information with each other, and then we came up with this. Everybody, oh, we got this in Kirtland. Kirkland, yeah, you'll probably have to go back there.
It's a shock.
What is that thing? What is that thing doing?
Charge your phone. Charging the phone. I can charge my phone.
Yeah, it has. You see already, say it'll tell you where you want to go.
Amazing.
So that's the direction, navigation.
Oh, that's a navigation thing.
It's a DVD. You could put a movie in there right now. As you're sitting, once you go, it doesn't do it. But this is the same. This is a 2011, right, Karen?
Yes.
2011.
Oh my.
Still looks good.
Yeah.
You got a 45-day tag on it.
Wow.
It'll probably cost you $700 to register it.
Don't wait.
Oh, because you got to pay the taxes.
What's this?
DVD, movies or CDs. So you can come out, you can put a movie in there and watch the movie, but as once as the car is sitting.
All
While
these
y'all
things.
driving,
Look at
Mom
all
can
this.
watch it.
Wow, yeah. Wow.
Your defrosters down here. You can see those. Air conditioner. That's the heated steering wheel. So in the wintertime, you turn that on, your steering wheel.
Oh, matter of fact, let's let them feel the heat. Just air conditioning and heat. You should be able to feel the air right there. That's the air button.
And Mom's.
Because this is the exact same car that I have.
So you got
I
air.
saw the lacrosse. I said, this
Yeah.
right there, it has is the lacrosse.
So you should be able to feel the air in a few.
So you got air conditioning seats and heated seats.
That looks so funny to Carol.
Ooh, that's a nice sound. I didn't know he was pressing.
All I saw was 2 cars, and then I kept looking. I said, "That's 3 cars."
3?
And then I said, "That's 4 cars." Oh my goodness!
Well, I'm gonna have to tell you, figure out what all this stuff is. No, look all up here.
Stayed on there today, Saturday, May the 5th.
Oh my goodness!
This tells you your tire pressure. You hit this button right here.
Oh, this is so nice. Does it?
I ain't gonna learn all this gizmo.
You can see behind you.
Does it have a rear camera?
This got a rear
That tells you your oil. Yeah, it has a rear. Put it in reverse.
Put it in reverse.
Hold up now.
We're not going there.
We're not going nowhere. He's got the brake.
I need
That automatically turns on?
Automatically turns on
you put it in reverse.
when you put it in reverse. Oh, we see you. That was good.
Look at all this stuff.
Christine was on the phone. I was telling her. Karen said, "Go outside," and it's a surprise out there waiting for Dad. I said, "We don't see anything." She said,